Welcome to Best RV Channels. This is Niall Amari from Best RV in Astoria, California. We're presenting today the beautiful full body paint. This is a full body paint Astoria 3803 front living room. The nice thing about the brand new one, they start making full body paint. So this is no papers, no shrinking on you. So it's totally nice, beautiful. Look how shiny it is. So it's not gonna fade on you, especially in the heat of California or other states. I like about the cap, it has a full LED light on the front, as well it has LED light here, so you could see when you hitch up the unit at dark, so you have no trouble, so you don't have to carry a flashlight when you hitch up this unit. This front living come with 5 slide out, 2 in the passenger side and 3 on the driver side. The beauty about the Astoria is every slide out they make, they add to it the slide topper. So you could see here, the slide out has a slide topper in each of them. They give you this one complete from a standpoint. It has a full basement storage, as you could see with the LED light. There's LED light. It comes with outdoor barbecue grill as a place for outside TV. So if you come look at this side, we have a bracket here for outside TV. So I could put my TV here with no problem. And then also it has, and it come with outside grill, come with it. Now, if you're noticing on this unit, you're gonna notice it has 2 power awning. So there's one power awning covering the entry door with this dining slide. And then I have another power awning, so when I'm barbecue outside, sitting, watching a game, eating, and lounging here, is I'm covered. The sun is not gonna beat me up. As usual, they give you endless hot water here, over here. On demand, endless hot water here. Beauty about it, a lot of manufacturers, they don't give you the ladder. This one give you the outside ladder. Give you backup camera prep outside. I have a class 3 hitch in the back with a plug, so if I decide to pull a small boat or bike rack, 50 amp cord. Beautiful 3 slide out with a slide topper on the driver's side, and they're all full body paint. Outside storage underneath the king size bed. And then here I have 1 docking station where I could hook up all my waters. And then it has a light even, and has the controller for the auto leveling. 2 propane tank, 1 on each side, 7 gallon each. And then I have a place here for a generator if I decide, or my spare tire is covered, it's not outside to the element. Has solar prep, and come with the solar and inverter prep. Entering from the middle of the coach close to the front, and in the front, as you see, it has a front living room where it has 2 hide-a-bed sofa across each other. So this is a sofa bed, hide-a-bed, and then as well this one is a sofa bed, hide-a-bed. Typical front living room. It has a lot of storage in the front, a lot of cabinets, and they're deep. And a big smart TV, as well the 43-inch fireplace. Across from the fireplace, I have really nice, comfy, full recliner. These are full recliners. You can see I could push them all the way back, and kids sit and relax. I have my own AC in the top, so it has 2 AC. It has the Wi-Fi antenna, 5G. So from entering to the front living room, I go down to the kitchen, and the kitchen now is in the center of the unit, and the kitchen is complete. So it has a big pantry here with adjustable shelf. I have a big counter space for my cooking, like coffee maker, toasters, doors, place for towels, nicer sink. This is the 3-way sink, waterfall, and the soap dispensers, and the cup wash, cup rinse. Big refrigerator for front living room. 2 big door, 1 for freezer. half freezer, half fridge. 3-burner range with oven, cooking pan tray, and then we have bigger microwave. And then the beauty about it, you have a guest bathroom here. So I have a guest bathroom here. Has a nice medicine cabinet, sink, nice counter space, big toilet, no issue for the knees. And across from the kitchen sink, I have a dining bench. It's removable and it's adjustable, as well the 2 chair. Also, if you don't want bench, you could put 1 chair this side, 1 chair on the other side. So the beauty about it has full privacy in the kitchen, the guest bathroom, and the front living room. And from there, I could go to my master suite. So I have a nice master suite king size bed, very roomy. And then I have his and her closets, hanging clothes and shelves. Beautiful smart TV facing the king size bed. So while I'm laying down the bed, I could watch TV. Another closets, counter space, in case for hair dryers and so on. You have place here for 110. A lot of doors for underwear, socks, and so on. Then you walk in from the bedroom to a big bathroom, 2 vanity, his and her sink, very roomy counter space for all the makeup, hair dryers, and so on. A lot of doors, as you see here. We have place, even a lot of place for towels. I have a window in the bathroom. It's nice. Big shower, the 60-inch. Very roomy for the elbow. Very high shower head. Glass shower door. Place here for extra closet, or you could add a stackable washer and dryers. So 3803 Astoria, full body paint, 5 slide out, slide toppers, 2 power awning, 2 bathroom, king size bed, 2 vanity, perfect to live in, and price, no one could match. And the most important thing, it is full body paint, no decals. Come to Best RV and look at the 3803 Astoria FLP.